Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about my crypto trading. And I made a fantastic profit of 45% in just less than 1 month. Let me tell you honestly, it was not me who traded a crypto, it was my son who traded. Let me give you the background. Initially, I was not aware of this crypto. I was really not convinced. Then later came to the situation I wanted to learn crypto. I think the world CEO came down to Chennai to teach me. We made some videos. I'm sure you must be aware of that. And later I deployed some money in crypto, about 24 lakh rupees. And in fact, that video got a very good response. But what happened about 1 week before, suddenly there was some news that the government planning to ban cryptocurrency. Then because of that panic reaction, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they all fell 20% in 1 day. But they all fell only in Indian denominated Bitcoin and Ethereum, not in the US. And forget about Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are cryptocurrencies. But the stable coin like USDT also fell from 78, 79 to 61, 62. And now it is back to 77 and 78. Sometimes markets tend to move violently. So that brings us to one question. What is the hedge that we have? So you all know that I'm an options expert. And why we choose the options? Because we can do a lot of hedging. So the options are meant for hedging. I had to invest in cryptocurrency, though mostly I invested in USDT, which is a stable coin, and only very less amount I invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but still the risk is risk. So we had no provision for hedging. After the last week incident of government announcing crypto ban this and that, still nobody is very clear. I do not know whether the finance minister herself will be clear or not. They say crypto ban, the next day they say we will not allow these cryptocurrencies as a legal tender. So anyway, we are not expecting this to be a legal tender. So we have to wait for the clarity. And now, until then, my investment in crypto, I wanted to do the hedging. As soon as I invested, I was looking for some kind of hedging through options. And later, I found out one trading platform called Delta.exchange. And they are providing options in cryptocurrencies. I contacted them. And now I got one more sponsor for my videos. So this video is being sponsored by Delta.exchange. I was a little bit reluctant. So what will be their user interface, how to do the transactions. So they said that, sir, we will give you 2000 USDT free of cost for you. And you keep that as a capital and you start trading. Unless you start trading, you will not know, you will not familiarize yourself. So then I asked my son to trade with that 2000 USDT. The first 1000 USDT they gave us on 27th October. The second 1000 USDT they gave us on 30th October. And with this 2000 USDT, in the last 1 month, my son has traded and he has made a fantastic profit of about 45% in 1 month. And he has beaten all my options performance in my whole lifetime. I have never made 45% in 1 month. I'm just going to show you the platform. So this is the platform Delta.exchange and I click options. So we are going to these options. The entire position is reflected here. So these are the positions we are having right now and these are the unrealized profit and loss. So there were so many profits and so many losses also. If you click the summation, you can see as of now, unrealized profit is about 514 USDT. If you come here, you can see the wallet. Right now, the total worth is $2,900 roughly. Invested amount is $2,000. So the profit is about $900. So that is 45% in 1 month. And if you want to know how much we have invested, we go and click deposit, transaction logs, here maximum, and then click download. So this is the file downloaded. Let me make it slightly bigger. Let me do the filtering because there are too many choices in the transaction trading credit. So you can see trading credit. So you can see it is 1000 USDT on 27th October, 1000 USDT on 30th October. Total 2000 USDT. Why it is called trading credit? We have not deposited. So this one 2000 USDT was given to us at free of cost by the Delta exchange. So therefore it is showing as a trading credit. In addition to this, so you want to check the P&L also, you can check. So you see the amount, so there are so many trades. So you can see it is actually showing $4,266, and whereas our actual profit was only $900. Why there is so much of difference? Because I think as soon as you sell, the entire credit that is coming into your account, they are considering it as your profit. That is actually not the case. Therefore, the P&L report from this method is not accurate. They are considering all the option premium as your profit. So we have given feedback to them. So they are just working on it. So very soon they will be coming out where to see exact P&L. But until then, the way we can see the P&L, until then you remember how much money you transferred, then go to the wallet and see what is the total. You can calculate the P&L yourself by seeing how much money you have, how much you have invested. So this is the correct P&L. My son is an amateur trader, so he has made few mistakes here and there. So the gross profit was actually $1,200. The net profit is only $900. So $300 has gone to charges. Why crypto option? And I'm going to show you the power of crypto. You see, if you are trading in NSE or BSE options, you want to sell far out of the money options, the premiums are very, very little. And look here, by default, it is a Bitcoin option chain is here, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So there are many other coins are also here. It's not only options. If you go to trade, you can see futures, spot, some strategies also, calendar spreads, interest rate swaps. So there are many things are there. Initially, I was a bit reluctant. But now I find that this user interface is much better than NSE option chain. So this looks similar to NSE option chain. This is a Bitcoin. This is the expiry. Expiry almost every alternate days plus monthly and quarterly. So there are many expiry days. If I choose the expiry day of 1st December, the put options is coming on the right side, call options are coming on the left side. Here the 55,000 put option we have sold. Here it is showing 55,000 sold. Yes, 58,500 call option bought. That's why it's showing long. So in the option chain itself, our position is reflected. In addition to this, the entire position is reflected here. Look at the Bitcoin and look at March expiry, and 1 lakh call option is trading around $2,000. And if you can remember, last time in one of the videos I just mentioned, 1 lakh call option was trading around $5,000. Now it has come down to $2,000. So if anybody has sold it, would have made $3,000 straight profit. And not only that, look at even the 20,000 put option is trading. Last time when I said it was trading around $500, now trading about $150. The premiums are really, really very high. So if you know how to manage and you know how to trade, so crypto options gives a fantastic options to trade. You can see the options March one I have shown you. Even you look at the December, which is just 1 month away. 1 month away, 80,000 call option trading around $687-700. The premiums are really very, very ultra high. I think my son has also sold some put option. 48,000 put option he has sold. Options are not only available for Bitcoin, it's available for Ethereum also. In fact, if you remember, I invested some money in Ethereum. So therefore, my son has sold Ethereum 5,000 call option. And this is expiring on 3rd of December. So just only 1 or 2 days. Options are available for various currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and there are few other coins. Is everything very good about this Delta exchange? And there are few problems also. Number one, in Vault, you can actually transfer the money from your bank account to Vault and you can buy the cryptos. To Delta exchange, you cannot transfer the money. You have to transfer money to some other platform. You have to buy USDT and then transfer the USDT to Delta exchange. then only you can do the options. But again, when you buy USDT from another platform and when you transfer the USDT to Delta Exchange, so there is a network fee. That's about $50. Then for people who are trading in big money, $50 may not be a big money, but for small traders, giving $50 for network fee or to transfer fee is too high. But there is a way you can beat the system, and that I will explain in the next video. So the same way in NSE, if you have a trading account, let us say you put money 10 lakh rupees, then as and when there is a loss, so the money will be deducted automatically. But here it doesn't happen. There is something called wallet. In the wallet your money will be there. You have to allocate the money from the wallet for trading. And if you don't allocate, if your position getting into loss, it will be auto squared off. These are the nitty-gritties, So maybe in the next video, I'll come out with the complete guideline how to transact in Delta.exchange. So in the next video, I'll give you a complete picture of NSE options versus crypto options. In NSE, it is a SEBI regulated one, that crypto options are not regulated. So NSE, because it is a SEBI regulated, you have a lot size, so there's a margin money and many other things. And how does these things work in Delta Exchange? Everything I will explain in my next video. Meanwhile, if you want to open an account in Delta.exchange, you can check the link below the video. You can open it. If you open account in Delta Exchange through this link, you will be getting a 10% discount from the fees. You go and check the Delta Exchange website. So you will be having some other offers also. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.